if you are struggling to edit your talking head videos because you have shot way too much footage and it's taking forever to get through, here is one simple trick that will save you a ton of time and help you edit much faster. And you can do this in just 2 simple steps. Step 1, how you shoot your videos. So instead of recording one long continuous video, which a lot of beginners do, you want to shoot in clips. That means you press record, say what you need to say, and if you nail it, you stop recording and move on to the next clip. But here is the key part. If you make a mistake at the end of a line or you mess up, don't keep rolling endlessly. Simply clap your hands or snap your fingers to mark the mistake. Then you stop recording, you take the clip again, and repeat this as many times as you need until you get the line right. So the flow looks like this. If you say it right, stop recording, move to the next clip. If you say it wrong, snap or clap, stop recording, do another take. By the time you are done filming, you will have your video in smaller, cleaner clips with all the bad takes clearly marked. Step 2, editing your clips. Now it's time to bring all those clips into your editing software. By the way, I'll be using CapCut for this tutorial, but you can use any editing software you like. Here's what you will do. Import all your clips into the software. Then play them back and look for the snap or clap markers you made when you messed up. Those markers tells you exactly where the mistakes are, so you can quickly cut them out without wasting time scrubbing through the whole video. Then keep only the clean takes and line them up on your timeline. This method saves you hours because you don't have to sit through long recordings searching for mistakes. You already marked them when filming.
Final touch. Once you have your good takes lined up, add your jump cuts to remove awkward pauses, insert text overlay, image or b-roll if you want to spice things up. Do your audio cleanup, remove background noise if necessary. Finally, export your video and you are done. I have been editing this way and it saves me a ton of time. And look, I promise, if you try it just once, you will never go back to the way you were before. And if you have an editing tip that you want to share with everybody, go down and leave a comment. Let everybody know what it is and help us all edit a little bit faster. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.